Hello everyone and welcome back to Pulse 24. I'm your host Nate, ready to dive into the electrifying world of tech. This week, we're tackling everything from AI scientists to government efficiency and vibe coding. Joining me today is the brilliant Dr. Anya Sharma, a world-leading AI authority. Anya, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Nate. Always a pleasure to be here.
So, Anya, first up, I hear Anthropic is giving away free AI to scientists. Are they trying to buy their way into scientific breakthroughs? Seems a bit suspect, doesn't it?
Not quite, Nate. Anthropic has launched an AI for Science program, offering API credits to researchers working on high-impact projects, especially in biology and life sciences. They're not buying breakthroughs, they're aiming to accelerate research by providing access to their AI tools. Think of it as giving scientists a powerful new microscope, not telling them what to look at.
So it's more like a helping hand than a controlling interest. So what kind of projects are we talking about? Curing cancer with AI or just making better lab coffee?
Hopefully more than better coffee. They're interested in projects that use AI to understand complex biological systems, analyze genetic data, accelerate drug discovery, and even address global disease burdens. Imagine AI sifting through mountains of data to find patterns that humans might miss, speeding up the whole scientific process. They're offering up to $20,000 a month in API credits, so they're serious about this.
That's actually pretty cool. So it's AI helping humanity, not replacing it. Got it. Next up, Elon Musk thinks AI can run the government better than actual people. Is he plotting to replace politicians with robots? Because honestly, I'm not sure that's a bad thing.
Well, Nate, Elon suggested AI could streamline government operations by automating tasks. He thinks it could improve efficiency and reduce the need for a large workforce. But it's not about replacing politicians with robots, at least not yet.
So, AI as the ultimate bureaucrat? No more endless paperwork or pointless meetings? Sign me up. But seriously, what kind of tasks are we talking about?
Think about automating data processing, managing public records, or even optimizing resource allocation. AI could analyze huge data sets to identify inefficiencies and suggest improvements. It could lead to cost savings and better services, but it also raises questions about job displacement and the need for retraining. It's a complex issue, not just a simple fix.
Right, because the last thing we need is a bunch of unemployed government workers blaming the robots. Still, a more efficient government sounds pretty good. All right, Anya, last big story. Some company called AnySphere, building Cursor, is now valued at $9 billion. $9 billion. All for an AI code editor. Are people really paying that much for AI to write their code? I feel like I'm missing something here.
You're right to be surprised, Nate. AnySphere, the company behind Cursor, just secured a $900 million funding round, boosting their valuation to $9 billion. Cursor is an AI code editor that helps developers write code faster and more efficiently. It uses AI to suggest code, answer questions in real time, and even generate code from natural language descriptions.
Okay, so it's like having an AI coding assistant. But $9 billion, that's a lot of money for a glorified spell checker, isn't it?
It's more than a spell checker, Nate. It supports vibe coding, which lets users speak code into existence using voice recognition and AI. Think of it as the next step in programming, where you can describe what you want, and the AI writes the code for you. It could significantly speed up development and allow non-coders to build software.
Wow. So I could finally build that app I've been dreaming about, even though I can barely write HTML. Maybe I should invest. Okay, Anya, time for our lightning round. Quick takes, rapid fire. First up, the UAE is integrating AI into its public school curriculum. Good idea or recipe for robot overlords?
Good idea. Equipping the next generation with AI skills is essential for their future.
Google says it can train its search AI on any public website, even if the publisher says no. Is this fair use or digital piracy?
A grey area. Google argues it's essential for improving search, but publishers are understandably concerned about control over their content.
All right, Anya, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for shedding some light on these crazy AI stories.
My pleasure, Nate. Always fun.
That's all for this week's Pulse 24. Remember to tune in next Thursday for more tech insights. Until then, stay curious, stay informed. See you next time.